Hello friends, today's question. An ideal gas initially at a temperature T and volume V, its volume is increased by delta V due to an increase in the temperature of delta T. Pressure remains constant, then the quantity, that is delta is equal to delta V divided by V multiplied by delta T, varies with the temperature. So basically we are going to find the graph between for this particular equation with respect to as the temperature is being changed. So we have to find out what will be the relationship of this delta with respect to the temperature. Or from the graph we can see there are four independent you can say relationship that can exist. First states that it is independent of temperature. Second one is linear, then there is exponential decrease, and the one is exponential increase. So we are going to start with our ideal gas equation that is mentioned in the question itself. So we say ideal gas law, which gives us that PV is equal to nRT. Here P is the pressure, V is the volume, N are the number of moles, and R is our universal gas constant. And T is the temperature. So for pressure to be constant, in the question it is mentioned that pressure is constant. So you can say pressure is constant. So therefore we can say rather, because N and R are already constant, if pressure term is also constant, so this gives us that the volume is directly proportional to temperature. And we can write it as V upon T will be equal to constant. And for a small change in temperature by delta T, it is given that the small change in volume occurs changes by delta V. So we say for small change in temperature by delta T results in small change in volume, that is given as delta V. So we can say that our delta V will be equal to V multiplied by delta T divided by T. And we are also given that our delta expression is equal to delta V divided by V multiplied by delta T. This is given to us. Now in this equation, we are going to substitute delta V. So this gives us that delta is equal to V delta T upon T, and this is V upon delta T. Here V delta T and delta T cancels out, and this gives us that 1 upon T. So we get the relationship that delta is equal to 1 upon T. So if we plot the equation, the graph for this particular equation, it will be coming something like this. So we can say that option number C is the correct option. Option C is correct. This completes the question. Thank you.